Hey Manav.
Hey Joe, how you going?
I'm well. I'm so excited to be here. Where are we exactly?
So we're in the maintenance hall of the Canberra Light Rail right now. So basically where all of our rolling stock gets maintained, and you can see one of our LRVs under maintenance behind us.
Oh, that's cool. So are you ready for your questions?
Yeah, let's get into it.
Well, firstly, what do you do?
So I'm here at CMET, I'm the infrastructure manager. So basically looking after anything engineering and maintenance for the Canberra Light Rail infrastructure.
Awesome. And why did you choose rail?
So two bits really. One was just wanting your work to be meaningful and make an impact.
Yeah.
And I think definitely working in the rail industry, it's something where you serve the public. So many of friends and family use the rail networks every single day, and it gives me a great deal of pride to be contributing to the maintenance of that. Second is the sustainability side of things. So obviously a huge push for sustainability across the globe, and rail's a great way of achieving that.
Yeah, so true. So what do you prefer, being in the office or being out near the track?
I enjoy both. Obviously my role is more office-based, but I really love getting out there and getting stuck on. There's a big difference between just looking at schematics and design reports on the computer versus actually getting out in the field and seeing the equipment firsthand.
Yeah, totally. What's your favourite subsystem?
I'd say probably the substations. There's a great deal of complexity when it comes to the engineering of the protection on substations, and I enjoy learning about complex things. So that's probably my favourite.
Excellent. Tell us a little bit about your team.
So we've got a fairly small team here. We've got 6 technicians, the technician supervisor, myself, another engineer, and then we've got an engineering coordinator. And that's all that there is to the team.
Cool. What's your proudest achievement?
I'd say my proudest achievement was probably diagnosing a pretty complex and multi-layered fault we had with one of our substations in 2022. It was really something that both the engineering team and the technician team, we had to put together all of our combined skills, experience, knowledge and expertise to eventually and finally fix the issue itself.
And what do you love about your job?
I'd say it's just the sheer variety of it.
Yeah.
Being such a small team, we can't be specialised in every little bit of infrastructure, so we look after everything. One day I'll be helping our commercial team write a maintenance subcontract for, let's say, the depot building. The next night I'll be up in the air on a scissor lift looking at overhead wire.
Awesome. And so lastly, what advice would you give your 20-year-old self?
Just to relax and enjoy the ride. Enjoy all the, take all the positives and negatives of life as it comes and enjoy each moment.
Great. Thanks, Manav. Thanks for showing us around.
My pleasure, mate. Thank you.
See ya.